Good evening. My name is Car Seat Dan. So, first thing on the list, I want to just introduce my channel. And oh, so, what's going on around me is pre 4th of July fireworks and be loud at the same time. So, and it kind of reminds me of this video I'll be showing you in just a second. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you're gonna be seeing some. I was at some kind of a World War II scene, and they were having a party before, and then they had this little, whatchamacallit, air raid stuff. It's gonna be fun, trust me. So, this is Car Seat Dan. I'll see you next time. Peace.